We had about an hour and a half, 2 hour drive here. We're up on the west coast of Scotland. So wanted to record a few of the highlights of the road trip in this part, just so you can see the views and stuff. And then when we get to the campsite, got a quick workout plan, which I'll show in a second. So quick workout here. We did a 20 kg weighted vest up, 10 squats, 10 push-ups, as many rounds as possible in 15 minutes. Post-workout meal, we just had these Huel boil in a pot meals, which I'll link below. Not sponsored by Huel, but tastes pretty good. Good macros, good protein. So yeah, worth checking out, especially if you're on the road.
Where does the white chocolate come from?